In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix missing contacts on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So there's a few different things that we can go ahead and do. Firstly, open up your phone application, and then from here, go ahead and tap the Contacts tab. Now, what we want to do is go back and then tap Lists in the top left corner, and then what we're going to do is select All Contacts, which is going to be right here, and make sure you're on All Contacts and you're not on any other folder or any other list, because sometimes contacts are still on the device but are hidden because only certain contact lists are selected. Now, the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is open up your settings on your phone, then tap your Apple account name, which is at the very top, go over to iCloud, which is the fifth option, and then tap See All under Save to iCloud. Now, once you go over here, make sure contacts is turned on, like so. Make sure that toggle switch is on. And if it's already on, turn it off and back on again and choose merge if prompted. After that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.